In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appear offline on WhatsApp. Sometimes you want to stay connected without looking like you're online to everyone. Maybe you're busy, you need some quiet time, or you just don't feel like replying right away. WhatsApp doesn't have a single go offline button. But with a few settings and habits, you can make it look like you're not active, even when you are using the app. First, let's talk about your last seen status. This is the little line under your name that shows when you were last active. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then tap on Privacy. Look for Last Seen and Online. Here you can change who can see your last seen time. To appear more offline, set it to Nobody, or at least My Contacts if you want only people you know to see it. You can also adjust who sees when you're online. If your version allows it, match that to the most private option available, so fewer people can tell when you're active. Next, let's manage your read receipts, which are those blue ticks that show you've read a message. Still in the privacy section, find read receipts and toggle it off. Once you do this, other people will no longer see blue ticks when you read their messages, and you also won't see theirs. This helps you check messages without feeling pressured to reply immediately. Just remember, read receipts are always on in group chats, even if you turn this setting off. Another important thing is typing indicators. There isn't a direct setting to hide typing in WhatsApp, but you can avoid triggering it. A simple trick is to turn on airplane mode before you open a message and start typing your reply. Type your message completely, then close WhatsApp. Turn airplane mode off, reopen the app, and send your message. This way, people see your message, but they don't see you typing in real time. You can also control how available you seem by limiting notifications on your lock screen. Go to your phone's notification settings, find WhatsApp, and choose to hide message content or show only a simple notification. This reduces the temptation to open chats immediately when someone messages you. Finally, try to avoid opening WhatsApp every time a message comes in. Checking it less often naturally makes you appear less active. Combined with private last seen, limited online visibility, and disabled read receipts, you'll come across as offline, or at least much less reachable, while still being able to use the app on your own terms.